And here's Meme. Meme is back in her place. You see there?
Kurus.
Oh, there you go. I see.
Look beautiful.
Lagi kini untuk hapuskan semua sepi di hati.
Neni dan
cerita
Zoom. What? Zoom. Besar di rumah. Wow, cantiknya. Neni, oh ya, malu ya.
Cerita tentang masa yang indah saat kita tertawa. Selamat malam teman-teman saya.
He's in the pink bottle. I'm taking a nap.
Market in the morning. Daging apa? Here. Membuat apa? Membuat makanan. Tidak ada nasi. Tidak ada oven.
Yeah, right.
Tidak ada oven.
Bu.
Masih bisa.
MemeJegeg.
Ya?
Beli satu ya? Oven?
Yeah, oh, buy you one?
Ya.
Sure. What else you want?
Ya, buy
A
satu.
car, boat, airplane.
Ya.
Yeah, besar, why not?
Nanti kalau Ibu Jegeg datang ke Bali,
Ya.
saya kasih gratis pizza.
Wow! I buy the oven and they give me a pizza.
Wow, what a deal!
5 pizza untuk Bu Jegeg.
There you get the other eye. New plate, hello! What? Hey, yeah, that's what I thought. Same old comic. Noise! Right? Oh, yeah. I remember the day we had it. What's this? Whoa! She's actually on her phone. Her favorite item here in Bali is her new phone.
Hapuskan semua sepi di hati. Ada cerita tentang aku dan dia dan kita bersama satu kawan. Ada cerita tentang masa yang indah saat kita berduka, saat kita tertawa. Selamat malam buat teman-teman saya yang ada di Sri Homestay. Salam manis buat MemeJegeg, buat teman saya Daniel alias Mustade.
Munching.
I want a peanut.
You want a peanut? Okay, I'll get you. Oh, no. You said I want a peanut. Didn't you say I want a peanut?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
I want peanut.
No, you said I want a peanut. I'll get you a peanut.
Ini kupersembahkan untuk keindahan Bali. Ada cerita tentang aku dan dia dan kita bersama satu kawan.
Yeah, there he is. Good looking guy. All you gals back in America, look at this guy. He's tall. Stand up. Watch. Ooh, he hit his head on the ceiling. Yes, sir. Can stuff a basketball without even jumping. Or short, but not this guy. He's tall like Jonah, almost as tall as Jonah is. And he doesn't have shoes. His feet are too freaking big, you know. He's not a he's a fake Balinese guy. He's really not even Balinese. That's right. Yeah, he'd be a hoop star making 10 mil a year. Yeah. This is the path coming up to Newman's house. He's in the jungle. Foppy. Bobby.
Yes. Got it? Okay. Remember? B, C, D.
Mon teaching
No,
Meme some
they
more
rhyme.
words.
You know the word rhyme? B, C,
Ibunya.
D, E, rhymes. Sound the same?
E.
Yes. B, C, D, E. Yes. Now you know it. So we'll wait on that one.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't get a star for that one yet.
The other one. T. L.
Okay, we're gonna do this together here.
T.
Meme mau belajar juga.
Ini rumah kami yang ada di Bali.
Dari mana?
Saya dari sebenarnya asli Oregon,
Di mana Oregon?
di Amerika Serikat.
Ah,
Ya, sekarang ada di Bali,
mengapa?
merantau di Bali, liburan di Bali,
yeah, that's right.
bersenang-senang.
Oh,
Here we are with my first friend in Bali.
yeah. Meme at chill.
My first bungalow that I ever stayed in Bali, and I was kind of scared, and Nyoman here took care of Meme. How many years here?
Me?
Yeah,
I've been here
yeah,
2.5.
2.5, huh? I remember when you were brand new here and you didn't have good English, and Meme didn't have any Indonesian, and now your English is great.
I hope so.
What about one girl?
There's one separate, but still one.
Oh, you still got one girlfriend left?
Yes.
One is all you need, I told you that. You want American girlfriend?
I want
You want?
Yeah.
What?
experience.
You want an experienced girl?
European.
Oh, European girl, huh? Oh, it's Eric. Hi, Eric. And here he is, just learned to walk about an hour ago. I can walk. I just learned to walk. It's me. It's Eric. I can walk. Bisa jalan-jalan? Hi. Hi. Sini bisa jalan-jalan. Hi. Hi, world. Hi, everybody.
Ini Meme dan Neni mau ke pantai. Ada Erik juga mau ikut mandi. Erik sedang berenang di pantai Lovina, Singaraja di Bali bersama Meme dan ada Neni.
Okay, last night here in Bali, at my friend's house, is a fisherman.
Ini sambal untuk orang
Masak
Bali.
wayan, senyum.
Ini sambal untuk orang Bali.
Bagus. And here's a knock-knock call. The Gusti. I can't see you. It's like, oh, there, I can see you now. Siapa ini?
Ayo, hahaha.
Coba.
Ini Bali
Ibu Bali?
yang memasak.
Iya. Pemasak bagus.
Masak enak.
Enak?
Ya, Bapak Bali.
That's Bapa Bali? I thought this was Pemuda Bali. Tidak? Remaja?
Jawa.
Betul ikut ke pesta Meme malam terakhir di Bali. Tidak mau pulang. Marshmallow, you got dari mana?
Dari Batu Lantang.
Salah.
Ini oleh-oleh dari
Bohong.
dari Amerika.
Salah.
Lalah,
Artinya?
pedas.
Ya, but artinya untuk orang Amerika bahasa Inggris. Siapa tahu?
Spesi.
Seorang pemuda dari Gambuh bernyanyi lagu istimewa untuk Meme.
Judi lagi. Ku tak mau terus begini, bahwa kita tidak akan berjumpa lagi. Kepergian hanya untuk kembali.